Hello guys, welcome to my Speak Book English. Guys, today my topic, how can speak English and fluently? But absolutely can Hindi medium student speak fluently English? And what are their methods? There was this boy from a small town. Yeah, there was this girl is a small town in UP. He was educated in primary school in Hindi medium. In ninth and 10th others classes in switches to English medium school, but English was not very seriously taught. And of course, nobody spoken in English at home or in surrounding. With fancying hardship that includes losing his fathers at a very young age and resulting properly at home. This boy took it of himself to teach himself English and obviously other subjects. In 11th and 12th English ready because a serious business, and sometimes the boys would cry as a why he was not able to speak confidently English. But he did not give in. He devised methods. But guys, first rule, stand in front of mirror and read English language newspaper magazine loudly and clearly. You are follow this topic. And second हमारी टॉपिक है कि try to speak which teachers and friends in English and ask the deliberated to correct him there he was wrong. Learn next third topic. Learn new way for waits for increasing vocabulary and try to use them in sentence while conversing. Your knowledge and tenses, but Hindi sentence conversing English to Hindi to English. At as time passed, this boys attended college but wanted sometimes beginner in life. He applied for interest test for various engineering colleges but did not make it. He finally tried to merchant navy, and his life took a new turn when he got selected, but absolutely not knowledge English to English. He met few students who were for was much strong background than it him. He learned better English there. He learned sport, and he added watching English movie in this list the as a way of catching new word. But absolutely you developed a taste of battle and other people English language music listening. This rule technique follow and English power strong speaking strong without hesitation. And today this voice has grown up. He to a 58 years old man. He speaks and write in impressible English. His knowledge of word and their use in even better than me. His son, who has studied throughout in English medium. He is my father, a boy from a small Hindi medium school in UP who wanted. We went on to explore place and to teach studies in his student impossible book spoken and written English. But absolutely you are this topic follow only by only mirror front standing and practice by English to English spoken. And first is 1 minute, second 2 minutes, and day by day timing increase and very speed speaking now without hesitation yani fluently. Thanks for watching. God bless.